Welcome to the Des Weight Loss. Join us on a transformative adventure towards your weight loss goals. Discover the secrets of balanced and mindful eating for effective weight loss. Learn delicious and healthy recipes that will nourish your body and support your weight loss journey. Unlock the power of nutrition and make it work for you in achieving your weight loss goals. Burn calories and build strength with our effective workout routines designed for weight loss. We understand that weight loss is not just about the body, but also about the mind. Stay motivated and on track with our mindset hacks. Your weight loss journey is unique to you. Let us provide the knowledge, motivation, and support you need to succeed. Together, we can achieve your weight loss goals and create lasting, positive changes in your life. Join us at the Des Weight Loss and embark on a healthier lifestyle today.